the final hairstyle. So take your time. Little curl. Just braid all the way down. This is back, y'all. I know I haven't gone for a hot minute, but we were doing a curly, formal, half up, half down do with this little donut bun. So without further ado, let's hop into the new year. Let's hop into this new hairstyle. Starting on fresh, it's not really fresh washed hair, but it's like day 4 hair, and taking your 2 front pieces and then clipping all of this into the back, taking our scrunchie and just tying it around to make sure our front sections are tied or wrapped into a bun. Cute little bun, just like a unicorn. Taking a black rubber band. Okay, now that we have the little bun back here and then the ponytail back here to hold the rest, so we're going to take this ponytail out, make it to a half up, half down. So taking half of your hair from both sections and making sure to not disturb the curls. Also making sure you're not breaking your hair. So take your time. It is not a race. Make sure that your hair is parted evenly, or as evenly as you can get it, so that when we do the half up, half down, it doesn't look weird. Now that we have our 2 sections, we're going to bun this section up so that we can have this section out of the way and we're able to work on this without any mishaps. Scrunchie it. And you should have 1, 2 top buns and then just the rest out. Taking down this bun right here in the middle, which is going to be our donut. This is a no gel hairstyle because we want to do as little manipulation as possible. So it's to be super quick, super easy, former curly hairstyle to do so. That's going to add water. You already know my spray bottle, Miss Spray Bottle.
Using warm water, I'm just spritzing the hair, getting it wet enough to where we can smooth and mold it without using gel, as there's gel in my hair already. And the water acts as a lubricant, so it's easier to loosen the curls, creating a smooth, lifted surface, providing more support, using the boar bristle brush to help enhance the smoothness, and it loosens and gets rid of any lumps, tangles, or mats that may be in my hair, as this is an old wash and go, so it creates a more light surface. And then I'm just going to pull it up so make sure it's secure, adding a rubber band, and we're going to tie this 3 times, making sure it's really tight and taut, which creates that lifted effect on your face, gives you a more snatched and secured look. Here I am low-key struggling. It's just sped up, but be careful. Please don't rip your hair out or create any more tangles. We're using a donut. I low-key like this donut. It was fun to work with, but we're taking this donut hair accessory and putting it on the base, making sure to not rip your hair out. Please don't do that. Be careful. This is sped up, but for your viewing pleasure. And you can see I'm currently having a little bit too much fun here. And I'm just playing around, seeing what I like to see where it's placed. We're going to create the donut shape using this another rubber hairband from Goody Hair. And then we're just going to secure this like that. And we're going to make sure that it's taut and tight. And now
that we have these 2 sections, we're going to braid these into 2 twists so that it looks and covers up the elastic. So all I'm doing is twisting them. And then we're going to wrap it around once and then twice. Bobby pinning ends and securing it. And secure it. Again, taking another bobby pin, twisting this, except we went clockwise. We're going to go counterclockwise now. And going, twisting it, mini twist, so that it looks sleek and it hides the elastic. Wrap it around this way. And bobby pin. Use however many bobby pins you need to, because we want this to be secure and good. So we're going to take another one and just go in like that. This is the first part of this bun hairstyle. The second part is taking this little unicorn thingy down, taking your water. You have to make sure it's like wet, but just enough so that you can braid and mold it to the way you want your hair to flow and lay for the night or day. And then just combing out the ends like that. To French twist. Don't know how to French twist. It's super, super simple. What we're gonna do is take these two front sections and cross them over together. I'll show you all that one more time. These two front sections, cross them over together, pick up one section from the front, and braid and twist it into the second part. Like that. One more time, these two sections, taking a section from the front, twisting it. And then when we get down to our front ear, start braiding it. Hydrated and make sure to comb it out well because this is where your curls are going to come into point. And then you have the option to leave it just like this as a little curl, cute little curl. Again, making sure your hair, the ends are wet so that we can comb them out like that. You see these curls? Oh, anyway, I'm gonna stop geeking. Just going to spritz it down, making sure it's damp but not soaking wet, but just enough so that we can make sure the curls are gonna mold to what they need to do. Two sections from the front, 1, 2, twisting it clockwise, so away from your face, twice. And then adding from the front, putting it in the middle section. And we're going to add it back to the rest. It keeps on repeating. We're adding from the front section, little piece, adding it to the middle, twist. Once we get to the end, you can add whatever pieces are left over. And then we're going to turn this into 3 different strands so that we can do a regular braid. The fattest strand, which is going to be this section, and just split it into 2. Like, then convert this and turn that's in between my thumb and my pointer finger and bend it and twist it into the middle. And that's how you convert a mini French twist into a regular braid. And then just braid all the way down. It creates those 2 twists. And it goes like that. I'm going to take out this bun in the back, splitting this into 2 sections. And all we're going to do is wet it down. Wet this first section down with just some water. And this just helps the curls pop more without adding any gel, any conditioner, anything like that. Because water is a natural moisturizer and hydration agent. I don't know why that was so hard for me to say. But when you're in doubt, just use a bit of water. Especially if you have your curly hair, that's the best thing to use. We have that. We're going to take little scrunchie, our decorative scrunchie, also matches my t-shirt, my bad. This, so that the pearls are facing up. We're just going to so it's super cute, super festive. Of course, the edges, we can't forget those. Taking my edge brush, I got this from Wow Beauty, which is a store in Jackson. And then taking my Shine and Jam Hydrating Yellow Bottle. And this is also $6.99 from Wow Beauty. Taking like this much of it. Applying it like that. I'm looking in a mirror so I can see what I'm doing because I'm using my phone to record and I don't. And then if you have any more access, make sure you take it and put it back in the bottle because we save money over here in product. Taking our little edge brush and swooping. Y'all, I haven't done my edges in a minute. Kind of forgot how to do them. But yeah, make sure to slick it back like that. Is that right? This is the final hairstyle. Super cute, super festive. Formal curly donut bun hairstyle. Perfect for New Year's, any formal event. I got you covered. Anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. And if y'all want to see more curly hair hairstyles and curly hair content from me and how to save money on a budget, hit the subscribe button because I'll be doing way more curly hair videos to come in 2025. See y'all again in the next video.